Hello mga kabayan! House tour video po tayo kasama ang isang makulit na bata. This house is located in an exclusive subdivision in Imus, Cavite along Aguinaldo Highway. Malapit sa SM Hypermarket, Robinsons Imus, and City Mall Lanabu. This is a complete turnover with tiles, cabinets, and partitions on the second floor. On the ground floor, meron tayong isang maid's room or guest room